Everything was just really cluttered and almost overwhelming to see what we had and what we needed. So we kind of didn't really spend too much time in the kitchen. Just with cooking every meal and packing lunches and just getting everything ready for the holidays, and just the cabinets being almost so overfilled that they were falling out and stuff was falling out and everything was just kind of everywhere.
I made suggestions and she was the best pupil because I suggested we paint this pantry to a simple white, and as you see in the before picture, it is pretty dramatic just with a coat of paint. We added this. There was nothing on the door and I desperately thought she needed to use this for storage. So this was added, very inexpensive from Target. And after she painted, I got shelf liners for the shelves, and we added in Lazy Susans, items for the kids' cereal, for the canned goods, even something for the packets for breakfast items, and all the snacks and drinks, and even a place for the kids' masks, which I thought was such a great idea because it's something we all have to deal with now, so you might as well keep them organized so she can pack a lunch, put a mask in, put snacks in, and it's pretty much self-contained for the kids' lunches. Well, the cart is a favorite, and that is also from Target. This is from Bed Bath & Beyond, very inexpensive, keeping all the disposable items. And in this day and age right now, people are using a lot of disposables, so keeping all the paper plates together, the lunch boxes are on the bottom. So up high, we utilized for the things she hardly ever uses. A lot of this project is let's work with what we have. And so we weren't gonna move all these shelves, so we decided to put items that are seldom used up there, which is great for high spaces. And it really worked out great without even moving the shelves, because she was able to also keep her garbage can, which we also changed, something small like that. But it made a really big deal because your eye is drawn to more soothing colors, and it was black and it was older, and we just really did an overhaul, and the garbage can was like $10. I mean, we really wanted to make a difference without spending a lot of money. So in the kitchen cabinets, we definitely were doing the same thing. We're working with what we have, and I tried to utilize every bit of space. She had really tall spacing, so we got a double Lazy Susan and then utilized a Lazy Susan up here so she could see everything she owns. And I also love these from iDesign. They stick on, they don't damage the walls, and you can use them anywhere, in kitchens, bathrooms. They're just so convenient, and we keep all her spices in there. We could utilize this vertical space that was definitely not being used before, so she gets to double up on storage, and she's excited because she's gonna get more glasses. So we also added little touches like the cutting boards. Those were from Bed Bath & Beyond. Of course, I used my coupon. And just little simple, inexpensive items that you can change an entire kitchen just by a few simple things. We decanted some of her most used items in clear containers. And then here, as you can see in the before, this was just a hodgepodge. And what I did is I just kept it simple and put all white dishes up here. And we also used the Bed Bath & Beyond coupon, so it made it very inexpensive. Another big change was under here, we added puck lights. And I also would like to talk about how we lined every single drawer and cabinet, because they're older cabinets, so it just gives it like a little renewed life. So that was a big thing, and adding these puck lights on both sides allows her to see what she owns, and it really made a big difference to me. I'm very big on having good lighting, so that was really important, and now she can see everything she owns down below. And then here We did all the drawers. Of course, I lined them. Another favorite part of this kitchen is we decided to take the coffee out of the kitchen and add it in its own separate area, and I absolutely love this. We lightened the space, as you could tell in the before. The piece of furniture was too short, it was dark, and so we added something brighter and kept all the coffee stuff, and she absolutely loves it. So I'm thrilled.